Hello, Eileen. Hi, sis. Let me move back. I just wanted to do an unboxing with you. My package came today. What is the package, you wonder? I'm going to let you know right now. Another camping thing I need. It's a Airbed mattress for camping. All right, so big bucks, big bucks. I thought, you know what? I'm getting to the age I can't sleep on the ground. I have a little mat, but it doesn't have very much, you know, protection from my bottom. So this one was a whopping $7.97. So I thought, you know what? I can't lose much trying it out. So let's go ahead and see what it's all about. All right. Now, of course, we need to blow it up, and who wants to spend hours blowing it up with their mouth, right? That's way beyond me. So let's find, there we go. All right, that's where you blow it up at. This is a twin size, and it's rated for 330 pounds. So I think I'm safe that I won't pop it, unless I move around too much, which I actually do a lot at night. Okay, so I'm gonna move over here, and it looks like a pretty good size, twin size, you know. Okay, and the blow up, I had it here a second ago. All right, this video might be a little longer than we want it to be because I saw the hole somewhere. All right. I'm at a loss, sis. I know it's here somewhere. Over there? Oh, I just had it. Well, I guess that's why it's so cheap. There's no hole. No, I'm kidding. It's right there. So, let's go ahead and pop it out. Okay. And because I'm so good at keeping things, I had this pump in my storage shed. So I thought I'd go ahead and use it. So, I remember those blow-up rafts I had. It was for that, but of course I don't have those anymore, but I still kept this for in case. So, let's see here. See if I need to put it in here. There's a lot of different sizes here, so we'll just go ahead and... This is my first time doing it, if you didn't notice. Okay, turn it on. Blow it up. It's blowing up pretty good. Looks pretty sturdy. Now the air comes out really fast, but there's another little pokey place here that you can put your little thingy in. Just have to change the size. You know, for $7.97, you know, there. And then I have a smaller one that I put it in. Oh, it's getting hot. Gotta turn that fan back on. It's 90 degrees out there. Okay, there. And this just pumps it up more without letting any of the air out. I think this is good. I can always put some more in if I need to. Okay. All right. So here's the mattress. It seems pretty good. It's a good size. $7.97. Oh. gosh. Oh, it feels pretty good. I can move around. Hasn't punctured yet, so I must be under 300 pounds, so that's good. And, well, I can tell you one thing. It's better than sleeping on the floor, and it's got some good comfiness to it. So I guess it'll work out. You know, it was the cheapest air mattress they had, $7.97. So I think I got a good deal, and it's from Walmart, so it's really easy to return if I don't like it. So anyway, that's my review on my new purchase. Okay, now I have to get up here and turn off the camera. See you later.